The Scotsman 110621-21 Control Board Assembly CU is a genuine original equipment manufacturer replacement part, indicating its high quality and compatibility with Scotsman ice machines. Scotsman, the manufacturer of this control board, has a long history of consistent innovation in the production of ice maker parts, demonstrating their expertise in the field. The Scotsman Control Board 11-0621-21, being a genuine original equipment manufacturer part, ensures safety, reliability, and optimal performance for your ice machine. This control board is approved by the original equipment manufacturer, providing further assurance of its suitability and quality. The Scotsman Control Board 11-0621-21 is specifically intended for use as it was designed and specified, guaranteeing its effectiveness and efficiency in operation. The dimensions of the Scotsman Control Board 11-0621-21 are 102 mm in height, 191 mm in length, and 191 mm in width, with a weight of 318 grams. Making it a compact and lightweight solution for your ice machine.